Primetime news this evening. New party standing. New RJR Gleaner Don Anderson polls show revised rating days before general election. You can all vote. Election guidelines issued for quarantined and COVID-19 positive persons to vote on Thursday. And Election Day 1. Security services and Election Day workers cast their ballots today. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: are you satisfied with the measures put in place for voting on Election Day?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.